Good morning, all. Welcome back to GRB classes and physics bridge course class, which I'm going to start. Good morning, all. Now we'll start with a problem, a small problem, whatever we discussed from the starting of vectors in bridge course, addition, subtraction of vectors or IJK vectors, two-dimensional vector, three-dimensional vector, how to represent a two-dimensional vector, how to find the magnitude as well as direction, and three-dimensional vector, how to calculate magnitude and direction. Based on that, I will do some problems and we'll proceed. Okay. The first problem is there on your boards. Here, two vectors are given. First one, A is equal to minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 3j cap. Right. So this vector is a three-dimensional or two-dimensional vector. This vector is two-dimensional or three-dimensional. So one should know that is nothing but three-dimensional. Why? Because it will be having x-axis, y-axis, and a z-axis along with that one. Now, next the second vector is given 5i cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap. Then if this condition is satisfied, 3a plus 2b minus c is equal to 0, then he is asking you to calculate the vector c. So the common, there is no logic in this one, right? So there is no concept in this one. Simply take this a and b and substituting in this equation, and we'll be finding the value of c, right? So what is the answer? Can anybody tell? So we have to substitute first. If I take solution for this one, 3 into a vector, simply we have to substitute minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap plus 2 into b vector. If I take b vector is given 5i cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap. After that, minus c is equal to 0. Right? 1, 2, 3. And then you can take that c to that side. Just multiply minus 6i cap plus 3j cap minus 9k cap plus 2 into 5, 10i cap plus 6j cap minus 4k cap is equal to c. Right? So what you are getting? Option C. All of you? Yes? No? Yes. So option C might be the correct answer. Let us see. Here a 10i cap and minus 6i cap, that is a 4i cap positive, 6j cap plus this one plus so here we are getting this is 3 and that is nothing but 6 plus 9j cap we are getting, and minus 13k cap is equal to c. Mostly this will be positive. Is it clear, this one, all of you? Yeah. So now this is the correct one, 4i plus 9j and minus 13k. Now it is C, right? Is it clear, all of you? Plus 9, even I got plus 9. So this is what the answer for that one. Done, all of you? Move to the next one. Right, all of you? Next, we'll go with the resolution of vector into 3 dimensions, right? Yeah, it is 29 question test. Okay. So resolution of vector in 3 dimensions. So 3 dimension already we calculated resolution of vectors into 3 dimensions. So the directions are called. What the directions called in 3 dimensions? The thing is how to represent a vector in 3 dimensions. Ax is equal to axi cap plus ayj cap plus azk cap. How to represent the magnitudes? Magnitude can be represented by a is equals to under root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. And directions, we are calling it as direction cosines. Very good. So if you are perfect with the direction cosines, then you will be doing this problem. Let me give the second problem. Are you ready? Sab log ready hai? Yes, no, boliye. Ready? Ho gaya problem? Chalo. Chalte. So second problem, moving to second problem. Yeah, Tanvi Reddy, done. Good. Now I'm moving to the next problem. Second question. Let me give the answer. P is equal to vector P equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. Right? Then calculate its direction cosines. So we have to calculate a direction cosines. What are the direction cosines? So options are given here. First option 1 by 41, 2 by 41 and 6 by 41. B option given 1 by root 41, 2 by root 41 and 6 by root 41. C option 3 by root 41, comma 8 by root 41, comma 7 by root 41. Or D option is 1, comma 2 and 6. These are the options given to you. Let me know what is the answer for this question. So take 30 seconds, then you can start up. So second question in bridge course. So basic problems without any logic, right? So direct substitution of formula. If you know formula, right, then you'll be getting. So give me the answer, not all. You can give privately. You can give the answer. So option B, somebody saying. Option A, somebody saying. Right. Option A. Nikita bol rahe option A, and Manish saying option B. B. Vidula B. संजना बी, और कोई है? चल्ला साकेत ये है, अक्षिता अरोरा बी, अश्रुत ये. सो ए एंड बी के बीच में ये आंसर लटक रहे. तन्वी रेड्डी ये, मेघना रेड्डी बी. चलो भाई. Now let us see the answer for this one. What is the answer? So most of them giving A and B. First one should know what is direction cosines. So directions cosines क्या है? बोलिए एक बार. Cos alpha is equal to, okay, cos alpha ax by magnitude of a. Cos beta equals to ay by magnitude of a. Cos gamma equals to az by magnitude of a. समझ गया ना? ax, ay, az. अब इसको कंपेयर करो आप. So let us take this vector ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap से कंपेयर करो. अगर आप कंपेयर करें तो ax के बदले क्या मिल रहे? इधर 1 मिल रहे आपको. ay के बदले में क्या मिल रहे? 2 मिल रहे. az के what is az? 6 you are getting. But ax, ay, az are there. Let me write here. ax क्या है? 1. नेक्स्ट ay क्या है? 2. नेक्स्ट az क्या है? 6. उसके बाद में जो मैग्नीट्यूड कैलकुलेट करना. तो नीचे जो है ना, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए. वी नो दैट हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द मैग्नीट्यूड्स. कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ 3 डायमेंशनल वेक्टर? a इज इक्वल टू वेक्टर a इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ ax स्क्वायर प्लस ay स्क्वायर प्लस az स्क्वायर. Right. So that means vector a equal to under root of ax के बदले में क्या है? 1 है, 1 स्क्वायर प्लस ay के बदले में क्या है? 2 है, 2 स्क्वायर कितना बन जाएगा? 4 प्लस az के az स्क्वायर, az क्या है? 36. खत्म हो गया. So vector magnitude is equals to root of 41. Right? Root 41, roots 41, root 41, roots 41. Right. सही बात है ना? So, and one more thing I told that if you have any doubt in this one, you have to verify the answer by using a condition cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. If this condition is satisfied, then your answer is correct. So, there should not be any scope for you getting a wrong answer. If you get the answer, immediately check it out with that criteria. If that satisfies, whatever the answer you are getting is correct. Let me check it out, that condition, whether it satisfies or not. Let me take the condition. Cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma, right, is equals to 1. This has to be satisfied. Okay. Then you have to check it out. Before giving the answer, before putting forward your answer, first you have to check it out like this. Already we discussed in the class, right? Okay. Now cos square alpha 1 by 41 plus 1 square का क्या होगा? 1 ही होगा, right? Root 41 square क्या बन जाएगा? 41 बन जाएगा. और 2, that is 4 divided by 41 plus cos square gamma 36 divided by 41. If I take it as 41 LCM, 1 plus 4 plus 36, which is nothing but 41 by 41 equal to 1. So satisfy हो गया. So our answer is nothing but 1 by root 41, 1, 2 by root 41 and 6 by root 41. समझ गया ना सब लोग? Yes, no, बोलिए जल्दी. Yes or no? Yes, yes, good. Goods, right? Okay. और एक छोटा प्रॉब्लम दे देता हूँ. Shall we go for the next problem, all of you? चले? Yes, yes, no, बोलिए. Enjoying, enjoying नहीं है? ब्रेकफास्ट तो कर लिया ना? Chalo. Let us go with the third question. So we are giving a recap of whatever the concepts we discussed. Based on that, we are trying to do some problems on it, basic level problems. Right? There is no concept involved. Third question, giving force F1, two forces are there. F1 equal to 4 I cap minus 3 j cap, and F2 equal to 6 I cap plus 8 j cap. Is asking you to find the resultant of these forces. What is the resultant of these forces? Resultant of these forces. These forces. That's all. He has not given any other information. Right? So option A is given 5 root of 5. Option B is given 10I minus 5j. And option C is given 125. Option D is given minus 2I minus 3j. Chalo bhai. Pull up. What is the answer? 30 seconds. कोई बोल सकते क्या आंसर? कोई है? बी वेदम, बी स्नेहम, बी अनिरुद्ध, बी सहया, बी 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 एक ही बी है. हाँ, शांत रेड्डी बी बोल रहे भैया. Is it correct? No, it's not correct. चलो भाई. Let us go with this one. Is asking resultant of these two vector. Pranav Reddy A बोल रहे. Let us see. So first resultant of these two vector. Resultant बोले तो पहले add कर दोगे तो सही. Is not asking vector difference. अगर vector difference of two forces, then we have to subtract. So he is asking resultant. Resultant को तो add कर दो पहले. So F is equal to 4I minus 3j. No, so total force or net force is equal to F1 plus F2. F1 plus F2. F1 ना F net. F1 लिख लिया पहले plus F2. F2 क्या है? 6I plus 8j. So 6I plus 8j. Right? So F net equals to, so 6 plus 10I plus 5j. अब देखो इसमें कोई satisfy नहीं हो रहा. अगर he is asking only the vector sum of two vectors, then there is no option satisfying in this one. Then try to calculate the magnitude and see. If I calculate the magnitude of its net force का magnitude ले लो. अगर net force का magnitude ले ले तो under root. This is a two-dimensional vector. Two-dimensional ax I cap plus ay j cap. Fine. So ax square under root of ax square plus ay square. ax square क्या बन जा रहा देखो 100 plus ay square is nothing but 25. अब देखो क्या बन जा रहा है इधर under root of 125. 125 under root कैसे लिख सकते हैं? So 5 into 25. 25 बाहर निकाल दो. So then we'll be getting F net equal to that's 5 root of 5 units. So option क्या है? ये. Right. Is this clear? All of you?
So one doubt.
Yeah, please tell me.
So what if we had an option 10 I cap plus 5 j cap? Then with,
both will be the correct answers. Both will be the correct answer. It will go to multi-correct option and cat. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Got it, all of you. Everybody. कुछ doubts है और कुछ? Or shall we proceed to the next problem? चले सब लोग. Move to the next problem. Yes. Chalo. Write down the next question. Fourth question. So question number 4. We go with question number 4. Question number 4. A bird moves. Hey. Okay. Birds, let's moves in such a way that it has a displacement. It has displacement 12 meters towards east. 12 meters towards east. It has displacement 12 meters towards east and 5 meters towards north. 5 meters towards north and 9 meters vertically upwards. Vertically upwards. vertically upward. This is nothing but displacements. Right? Okay. Find the magnitude of its displacement. What is the magnitude? Let us take it as S. Magnitude of S equal to how much? What is the magnitude? Let me write the options. A 5 root 2. B option 5 root 10. C option 5 root 5. D option 5 meters. समझ गए ना? चलो, क्या anybody बोल रहे B? कोई बोल रहे B? Option B बोल रहे? Yes, no, yes, no. 9 is vertical, yeah. Vertically upwards. Vertically upwards. Vertically upwards. Nothing but vertically upwards. Option B बोल रहे? B है क्या option? B बोल रहे? Magnitude बोल रहे? Right. Vertically upwards. Now, if I take how to solve this vector, east is nothing but not I cap, J cap is nothing but Z K cap. So this is K cap, Z axis. East, north, and vertically upwards, 3 dimension. See, if I take like this, it looks like this. Are you able to see? So this is like this. Right. Vertically upward. Vertically upward means Z axis. East, if I want to write, this I can be written as 12 I cap. ये क्या लिखना? 5 meters. North बोले तो क्या लिखना? बोलिए. What should I write? 5 meters north. बोले तो J cap. 5 J cap meters. Okay. Now 9 meters vertically upwards. Vertically upwards. दिख रहा ना? Vertically upwards. ऐसा. Vertically upwards. Vertically upwards बोले तो क्या है? K cap. So we'll be writing it as 9 K cap meters. समझ गया ना? 9 K cap meters. अब क्या? So displacement vector लिखते. It is a 3-dimensional 1 to 3 dimension. So 12 I cap plus 5 J cap plus 9 K cap. खत्म हो गया. This is a 3-dimensional vector. 3-dimensional vector का magnitude चाहिए आपको. So how to calculate the magnitude? How you will calculate the magnitude? Under root of this square, that is 12 square is 144 plus 25 plus 81. कितना रहा बोलिए? Root में कितना रहा भैया? बोलिए. How much you are getting? Under root में, root के अंदर क्या रहा? 250. So this is nothing but 250. Or magnitude of it can be written as now under root of 25 into 100 लिख सकते हो. सही बात है ना? 25 into 100, right? Yes or no? So 25 into 10. क्या लिख सकता हूँ? 25 into 10. So 25 को बाहर निकालो. When I take it outside, so then I'll be getting 5 root 10. बस होता है. 5 root 10. 5 root 10 जो आया, okay? Okay, वो ये सिकंदर है. How many of them got B option? Me, Nishal, Srija, me. और कोई. I got. Okay, yes. सब लोग खुशी में हैं, हाँ? चलो भाई, right? Okay. Sure. Now we'll go to one more question, right? All of you. First also, okay, you told first. First and best, चलो भाई. So 5th question will be moving. Done this one, all of you. हो गया? सब लोग? हुआ नहीं? बोलिए. Yes, चलो. जस्टिन अभी दिखा मेरे को. जस्टिन कहाँ गया? चलो. हो गया सर. किधर गया? Disconnected. जस्टिन कैसा जस्टिन? Now question 5th one. The easy one conceptually also you can tell. No problem. Justin, sorry, बोलने का जरूरत नहीं, Justin. So vector A is equal to 3 I cap minus 4 J cap, and vector B equals to minus I cap minus 4 J cap. Calculate the direction पूछे खाली direction, no magnitude. Direction of A minus B. Direction of A minus B. Right? Options are given along positive x-axis. B1 is along negative x-axis. C option along positive y-axis. नेक्स्ट डी ऑप्शन अलोंग नेगेटिव वाई एक्सिस। चलो भाई, सो क्या है ऑप्शन? धनाधन दे दे रहे हैं आप लोग। ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन ए। बहुत सारे लोग। Have we discussed yesterday this problem? Did we discuss this problem yesterday? Yes? No? Okay. Right. A minus B खत्म हो गया। बहुत सारे लोग, yesterday we discussed this one. Okay. So बहुत सारे लोग दे रही है आंसर। So A minus B, if I want A minus B, subtract this A minus B. So then here 3I minus 4J minus of minus, this is plus 4J. So कितना आ रहा? 4I cap meters बस। So it is I cap, positive I cap means along positive x-axis. Okay. Chalo bhai. Now we'll go with subtraction of vectors concept. Hopefully done. So 4 I cap, magnitude is 4, I cap is the direction. हो गया? गया? Take a screenshot. Yes. Right. Now I'm giving the problem. Let us see. See, one thing is we can solve conceptual method and formula based method also. So this problem is based on subtracting of two vectors. So formula based अगर ले लेते तो if two vectors are there, so resultant subtraction of two vector subtraction, that is plus minus b, or simply we can write r equals to a minus b. This is nothing but vector difference will be called. We call vector difference. If we ask vector, calculate vector difference, then a minus b, the vector difference. Now what is the magnitude for this one? So magnitude already we calculated, under root of a square plus b square plus minus 2ab cos theta. This is nothing but magnitude of its direction. If I take a tan alpha is equals to b sin theta divided by a minus b cos theta. So these are the formula based concepts. Without using formula also we can do. Right? Let us see how we will do. What are the concepts involved till now? Whatever you learned or I taught, okay, where we'll be using that concept. Let us see that one. Right? Now I'm going to give a problem. Just note it down, that problem, all of you. Note down the problem. Right? A car moving 5 meters per second. So this is a sixth question. A car, okay. A car is moving towards east with 5 meters per second, and take a sharp turn towards north. Nothing but north, and move with the same speed 5 meters per second. Then find the change in velocity of the car. Calculates a change in velocity of car. So options are given here with you. 5 root 2 southwest. B option given 5 root 2 southeast. C option 5 root 2 northeast. D option 5 root 2 northwest. Chalo. Problem is there. दिमाग का खेल है, okay? दिमाग का खेल है. So whatever you are giving wrong answers, so just privately give the answers to me. Otherwise, if you are giving answers to all, everybody thinks, hello, boy, this is the right answer. I'll also give the same thing. Okay. So wrong. Justin जो दिया, Justin ये क्या है? Justin A B C D सब लोग दे दे Akshita given right answer. Privately, if you give, then I can tell the answers. Not to all, right? Privately give the answer. Privately, अभी तक कोई नहीं आया. Sunidhi given the answer, correct. Next, अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं आया answer. चलो भाई. So अब क्या हो गया? आपको क्या हो गया? If I root तो आ गया immediately, but ये साउथ वेस्ट और साउथ ईस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट, ये कैसा कैलकुलेट करना, उसमें फंस गया. राइट. कैन यू गिव अस योर नंबर? आयुष कैसे रे? वर्ल्ड फेमस है बेटा. चलो. सो ढूंढे तो भगवान मिल जाता बेटा. आदमी क्या चीज हूँ, मैं क्या चीज हूँ. So 5 root 2, this is not west. So let us see this problem. First method we can solve in this manner. Now how to start this problem? Carefully listen, because बहुत लंबी कहानी है, लंबा कहानी है ये, देखो. So carefully listen how I am doing, how I am proceeding it as. Okay, गलती नहीं करना, conceptual ले जाना, cool mind रहना. Okay, मैं हूँ Mr. Cool बोल के रहना. Okay, simple. See, formula based. Till now whatever I discussed, whatever the problems I discussed, only formula based. Formula डाल देते, बस formula डाल दो, हो गया, आ गया आंसर, आ गया, खुशी है. formula नहीं, concept को पकड़ो. Right, let us see. अब कितने concepts मैं use करता हूँ इसमें देखिए आप. Right, I'll erase this one because board is not sufficient. Right, have you took the screenshot here? take a screenshots. हो गया, गया, आ गया, चले गया. यस नो जल्दी बोल. अरे कोई नहीं है. यस 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 यस. चलो. Erase this part. I'll change in velocity पूछ रहे. Right, I'll erase even this options also. Right, पहले क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? A car is moving. Make a picture in your minds. आप बैठ गए, अंदर बैठ गए आप. Right, you are sitting inside and driving the car. Okay, एक सिंबल भी लगा है. कौन सा सिंबल है बोलो? सामने दिख रहा कुछ सिंबल? दिख रहा नहीं? यस नो? लाइट नहीं बेटा, एक सिंबल डाला मैं. हाँ, कोई बोलते बेंज. मर्सिडीज बेंज. ओके, चलो. नाउ फर्स्ट व्हाट वी टेक इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन वेलोसिटी. पहले क्या करते हैं? वेक्टर फॉर्म में 1 टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट. सब लोग तो मालूम है ना, ये क्या है? नॉर्थ. भैया कोई गाना गा रहे हैं. चलो भाई. So this is nothing but north, south, east and west. चलो, so east direction. In east direction 5 meters per second. Let us take it as 5 meters per second is V1. 5 meters per second. Right. Now it has turned in upward direction. That is immediately what you say. Most of the students what they'll do? They'll do like this. Fine. Rishivardhan, I am eliminating him. Rishivardhan is to be eliminated, right? Right. Coming back. See, 5 meters per second towards. So most of the students first conceptually what they'll think. So car is moving towards 5 meters per second in the forward direction and north. So 5 meters per second. So 5 meters per second. How many of them took like this? How many of them took like this? Can anybody tell? Towards east, towards north. It's nothing but north towards east. How many of them took? Yeah. So most of them, see, most of them, 99% students will take like this only. Okay. But the thing is, here we are having two vectors, right? We're having two vectors. Two vectors we have to add in such a way that we have to use head and head or tail and tail concept, right? So we cannot draw this like this. Fine. Mute yourself. Try to mute yourself, right? Some disturbance you are getting. So we cannot add two vectors. I have two vectors. One is towards east, one is towards north. Two vectors are there. Then we have to add either head and head or a tail and tail. So we'll take it as tail and tail method. Now just a shift, parallel shift concept. I used the concept. First one is parallel shift. Parallel shift concept. Parallel shift. I shift this vector here. Right? Vikrant.
Sir.
Vikrant.
Ramesh sir. Sir, అది లాక్ చేయండి సార్.
లాక్ చేసి
అన్మ్యూట్ లాక్ చేస్తే ఆన్ చేయరు, ఇంకా అందరూ ఆన్ చేస్తున్నారు.
నేను అదే అన్ని లాక్ చేసేసాను. మీటింగ్ వాజ్ లాక్డ్, రైట్?
అయినా మ్యూట్ ఆన్ అవుతుంది. అన్మ్యూట్
ఆన్ అవుతుంది మేడం, అది ఆన్ అవుతుంది.
లేదు సార్, లాక్ చేయొచ్చు.
Lock meeting, huh?
రమణ సార్ లాక్ చేస్తారు.
But they should have that type of thing. Okay. Let us see here. Now this is nothing but V2 is equal to 5 meter per second. Okay, very good. So V2 is equal to 5 meter per second. Then using the concept of parallel shift, just to shift this in backward direction. I use the concept of parallel shift, first one. So what I'll do is I'll remove this one and I'll place it this particular point. First thing, the student should know it has to be joined from a head and a tail and tail. It's nothing but 5 meters towards north. Now we got it as towards north. East aa gaya, and this is nothing but north. This is V2. V2 equal to 5 meter per second J cap. This is nothing but I. So 5 meter per second J cap and 5 meter per second I cap. Is it clear? This one V1 and this is V2. Okay. Now we got tail and the tail method. He's asking vector difference. Vector difference was the delta V is equals to always final minus initial. Final V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1 or delta V equal to V2 minus of this is plus minus V1. See, addition of two vectors. One should be V2 and another one is negative of V1. So that's the way that we can add it as. Okay. Now what I'll do, I want a magnitude between these two angle is how much? 90 degrees. To add or to make it as vector difference, just I'll extend this in backward direction. This vector is extended in backward direction. So I'll be getting minus 5 meter per second backward direction. Right? Then the resultant is always should drop from where this is nothing but V2. This is nothing but should pass through this particular point. This is nothing but resultant, which is making an angle how much? 45 degrees. So now this is V1. This is nothing but V2. So 5 meter per second and 5 meter per second. So how I am saying that it is 45 degrees? Obviously, between these two, if these two are equal in magnitudes, then definitely it will be 45 degrees. One concept is if both the vectors are having same magnitudes, then the resultant will give equal angles on both sides. This is one concept, right? So 45 degrees, okay? 45 degrees. If 5 meters, 5 meters, 5 meters and 5 meters, both are 5 and 5, then the resultant is always bisect at an angle 45 and 45 degrees, equal angles. Bisect at the equal angles. This is one concept here, right? 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 45 degrees and 45 degrees. You can calculate the magnitude of it because this total angle is how much? 90 degrees or this is 90 degrees. Using a resultant formula based magnitude of R is equal to under root of A square. A square means 5 square 25 plus 25 minus 2AB cos 90 degrees. Yesterday we discussed what is the value of cos 90. Cos 90 क्या है? Cos 90 क्या है? Cos 90 क्या है? 0. So that means we'll be getting R equal to just 5 root 2 meter per second. This is the resultant in magnitudes. Next, coming to the direction, then tan alpha is equal to formula based I am doing tan alpha is equal to B. B means here 5 meter per second. So 5 into sine of 90 degrees. Sine 90 कितना है? Sine 90 कितना? बोलिए. Sine 90 is 1 divided by, right? Only we'll be taking the magnitude of it. If I take magnitudes, then A is only, this is A, but we are not taking negative sign. I'm taking it is 5 minus B cos theta, cos 90 कितना? Cos 90 कितना? 0. So that means 5 by 5. Now tan alpha is equals to 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. Alpha is equal to 45 degrees. Right. We got 45 degrees based on formula or concept wise. If two are equal in magnitudes, the resultant bisects at an angle, equal angles on both sides. This way we can say it as. Okay. Why we are finding the tan? Tan to find the angle 45 degrees. To get angle 45 degrees, this is nothing but alpha. Right. Now the final thing is 45 degrees we got and the direction we require. How to find the direction? See very carefully, delta V is V2 plus minus V1 or V2 minus V1. V2 minus V1. carefully. V2 minus V1. V2 is towards north. V1 is towards west. This is nothing but east. This is nothing but west. Right. Is it clear? East and west. East and west. That means V2. First vector is V2. The second vector is V1. So it has to move from north to west. So north of west 45 degrees is the correct answer. So 5 root 2 north of west. And if you want the angle 45 degrees, 45 degrees north of west. Is it clear this one? Done, only formula based we calculated. Okay. Right. Pratik, direction again we'll discuss in a conceptual method. Is a formula method, right? Conceptual method we'll see. Right. Understood? Sure. Option D. Yeah, option D is the correct answer. Now, without using this formula, how we can do conceptual methods? Right. Let us see that one. Now see, carefully see. This is a east direction. Directly I'll take. This is nothing but east. How much? V1 equal to 5 meter per second. I cap, which is nothing but towards east. Right. Next, towards west, towards north. V2 equal to 5 meter per second. J cap. That's all. V1, V2. V1, V2. This is nothing but 5 meter per second, and V2 is 5 meter per second J cap. He is asking vector difference. Delta V equals to V2 minus V1. That's all. V2 minus V1. Right? V2 minus V1. There is no need of parallel shift concept also. What is V2? 5 meter per J cap. What is V1? 5 meter per second J cap. So that means if you take delta V equals to 5 J cap minus 5 I cap. Okay. Right? All of you. 5I minus 5J. Is it 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional? Boliye. 2 or 3? Bolo. 2-dimensional. How to calculate the magnitude? Delta V is equals to under root of AX square plus AY square. That's nothing but 25 plus 25. Okay. So delta V equals to 5 root 2 meter per second. Here. Sir, अब डायरेक्शन कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? 2-dimensional का डायरेक्शन क्या है? Tan alpha, right? Tan alpha is equal to AY by AX. See, this is nothing but 2-dimensional vector. A is equal to AX I cap plus AY J cap. This is a 2-dimensional vector. Same, I am taking 2-dimensional vector. Magnitude of its magnitude is equal to AX square plus AY square. It's nothing but under root of its magnitude. Or direction tan alpha. If you want angle, tan alpha is equal to AY by AX. AY क्या है? 5 divided by 5, which is nothing but 1. Alpha is equal to how much? 45 degrees. Alpha is how much? 45 degrees. Okay, bhai. Okay. अब कैसे calculate करें? What is the direction? How to find direction? Okay. Angle 10 degrees, then what would be the direction? Okay. 10 degrees. Angle is 10 degrees. Baba, 10 degrees. Very less now. 15, less than 15 degrees. Right. We'll be taking less means we'll get the concept of when the angle is very, very small, what happens to tan theta, what happens to cos theta, what are the approximations. Oh, lambi kahani hai usko. Okay. So we have to go a lot of things to discuss when theta decreases below 15 degrees. Okay. Chalo. Now, इसमें direction कैसा calculate करना? Okay. Direction कैसा calculate करना? देखिए, ये vector है, change in velocity का है ना? इसमें क्या क्या दिख रहे हैं आप? Phi को बाहर निकालो. You take it as phi, J minus I, right? Phi को बाहर निकालो. J minus I. J belongs to which direction? बोलिए. J belongs to which direction? North. उसके बाद में minus I है. Minus I है. Minus I belongs to which direction? West. खत्म हो गया. North of west. समझ गया सब लोग? Direction कैसे calculate करना? This is the conceptual method. North and west का तो change है ना. V2 minus V1. कौन सा पहले आ रहा था? देखो J आ रहा. J क्या है? North है. I क्या है? West है. खत्म हो गया. Minus I. Yes, all of you. समझ गया conceptual method and formula method. That means whenever most of the students search for the formula, they will fail. Okay. Concept को समझो, पकड़ो. Okay. पकड़ो. पकड़ो पकड़ो गाना है ना, ऐसा पकड़ना, कॉन्सेप्ट को पकड़ना. देखिए, so this is the way that we'll be doing. Sir, it's a question. No, this is nothing but anything we can take. You can give me a problem, we'll discuss. There is no problem in that one. आप दे सकते मेरे को, खाली फ्लूक से दे देते. Whatever I've given before questions are from our material. The first 5 questions, whatever we discussed, that is from my material. To understand the concepts, okay, then we'll be going with any example, 3 meters, 4 meters, no, कौन सा भी ले सकते concept को लगाने के लिए. See, with one problem, right, we'll have a different things, right. So Pratik, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So we can end this session. Hopefully you enjoyed the class, right? Which book you have changed meeting area, changed meeting area, and was for changed meeting? I thought I didn't get you. Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Okay. Just I'll unmute you. Just you can. Yes, you enjoyed, right? Very good. Enjoy while learning is very important. Thank you.